Welcome to Get Mojo, where we do the research so you don't have to. In this video, we're talking you through the 5 things you need to know about the DJI FPV first-person view drone. FPV drones, or first-person view drones as they are commonly known, blur the lines between regular drone flight and virtual reality. And one of the big players in the FPV drone market is DJI with this little number. DJI is renowned for its expert but user-friendly drone options. But this crucial, especially if you're relatively inexperienced. The good thing about the DJI FPV is that it offers a range of different flying modes that tailor to different experience levels. There's the likes of normal, manual, and sport mode. Sport mode, or S mode as it's known, kind of gives you the best of both worlds, letting you do whatever you want in the air while still offering simplified controls and holding your hands so you don't accidentally roll over mid-flight. So, are you thinking of buying the DJI FPV? If you are, be sure to read up on the flight modes beforehand and make sure you've downloaded the DJI flight app so you can connect your drone once you get your hands on it. Stay tuned to Get Mojo for the most complete video product reviews.